What's up guys, Infinite Skills here, and today I'll be showing you how to add an end screen to your YouTube videos. Now real quick before the video starts, I'd just like to thank you all for 1,400 subscribers. It really means a lot to me. So without further ado, let's get into this. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go onto your web browser on your desktop device and open up YouTube and then go into your YouTube studio. If you don't know how, on the home screen page you click your profile picture in the top right and then click it down from the drop down menu. When you're in the studio, you're going to want to go and hit content and select the video that you want to put the end screen on. I'm just going to pick this video here and hit the pen icon which says details. That will take you into your video details. Then you're going to want to scroll down and hit end screen. Just click that bar and up will come a screen like this. Now as you can see on the side, there are many different layouts for your end screen, but the one I like to use is the one video, one subscribe, and that will recommend one video and your profile picture. Then you're going to want to hit on that video and hit choose specific video if you want to choose your own, and I'm just going to pick my most recent video to use for this. Then as you can see up the top, the times, the first time is when the end screen pops up, and that can be a maximum of 20 seconds before the video ends, as it shows there. Most of the time you're going to want to keep it on that 20 seconds because that gives the most time to recommend your channel and that video. But once you're done, you hit the blue save button and click on your YouTube video, as I am here, just to see if it's worked. And you are going to want to skip towards the end, just before the time that the end screen popped up that you put in, just like I am here. And as you can see, the end screen pops up and that's what it looks like. Now you can be like what the viewer would do and hover over the profile picture. It shows your bio and the option to subscribe to your channel. Then you can also click on the video and it will take you to that video. I'll just click on full screen here to show you what it looks like when someone's watching in full screen. And there it is. It's the exact same thing. And that's about it guys. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Also, comment below if you had any issues with this or you want to see another video in the future. But I'll see you next time, guys. Goodbye.